In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pinterest for SEO fast and easy. Whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or just someone interested in optimizing your online presence, Pinterest can be a powerful tool for boosting your SEO efforts. Let's dive in and explore how to make the most out of this platform. To start, you'll want to open Pinterest. The easiest way to do this is to search for Pinterest on Google. Once you see the search results, click on the first link, which will take you directly to the Pinterest homepage. Keep in mind that Pinterest should be treated like a search engine, not just a social media platform. This perspective is vital because on Pinterest, keywords hold more power than the number of followers you have when it comes to achieving success. Once you're on Pinterest, it's time to do some keyword research. Use the Pinterest search bar and type in your niche. Observe the auto-suggestions that pop up because these are pure gold. They tell you exactly what users are actively searching for. Additionally, using Pinterest trends can help you discover seasonal and trending keywords. For example, typing in home office might reveal suggestions like home office setup, home office decor, or small home office. These insights can be essential for shaping your content creation process effectively. Having explored the keywords, you must now optimize your profile. Your username should reflect your brand while incorporating a relevant keyword. Something like cozy decor, small space ideas is a great example if your niche is home decor. Construct a bio that's rich in keywords to clearly communicate what your brand is about. And don't forget to add your website link. If tracking traffic is important to you, consider using UTM tracking to analyze how much traffic Pinterest is driving to your site. With your profile set, let's turn our attention to optimizing your boards for SEO. Craft niche-specific boards with meaningful keywords. It's best to avoid vague titles such as My Stuff. A specific title like Minimalist Living Room Ideas not only communicates what the board is about, but also improves its search visibility. When creating pins, ensure they are SEO-friendly. Use tall images, preferably with dimensions of 1000 by 1500 pixels. Before uploading them, name the files descriptively and include keywords such as funny-dog-mug-printondemand.jpg. For pin titles, combine keywords with a benefit, like best coffee mugs for dog lovers. Keep your descriptions natural, keyword-rich, and don't forget to add a few relevant hashtags to enhance discoverability. Consistency plays a critical role in maximizing your reach on Pinterest. Fresh pins are generally more appealing to both users and the algorithm. To maintain fresh content, consider repurposing your blog graphics into a variety of pin designs. You can make use of tools like Tailwind or Pinterest's native scheduler to maintain a consistent posting schedule. These steps will guide you in leveraging Pinterest effectively for SEO. By treating Pinterest with the same intentional focus you would any other search engine, you'll be well on your way to boosting your online visibility. So go ahead and explore the endless possibilities Pinterest offers for your digital strategy.